Have you ever wondered why avocados have become one of the most popular foods worldwide, appearing on every brunch menu and health food blog? Stay with me until the end, because I'm about to reveal 10 incredible science-backed reasons why this creamy green fruit deserves a regular spot in your diet. And the last benefit might completely change how you think about nutrition. Let me start by saying that avocados are truly unique in the fruit kingdom. Unlike most fruits that are loaded with sugar, avocados contain barely any sweetness at all. In fact, half an avocado has only about 0.2 grams of sugar, making it one of the lowest sugar fruits you can eat. This naturally low glycemic profile means your blood sugar stays stable after eating it, preventing those energy crashes we often experience with other snacks. Research has demonstrated that replacing saturated fats from processed meats or butter with the unsaturated fats found in avocados can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Now here's something that surprises most people. We've all heard that bananas are the go-to source for potassium, right? Well, avocados actually contain more potassium than bananas when you compare equal portions. Just half an avocado provides approximately 345 milligrams of this essential mineral. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, supporting proper muscle function, and maintaining your body's fluid balance. Many people simply don't get enough potassium in their daily diet, so adding avocados is a delicious and natural way to meet your needs. Speaking of heart health, scientific studies published in the Journal of the American Heart Association have shown something remarkable. Eating avocados just twice a week is associated with a meaningful reduction in cardiovascular disease risk. This benefit comes from the high concentration of monounsaturated fatty acids that help lower bad cholesterol levels while supporting overall heart function. But the heart benefits don't stop there. Avocados are powerful allies in fighting inflammation throughout your body. They contain a unique combination of monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, carotenoids, and polyphenols that work together to combat chronic silent inflammation. This type of inflammation is linked to many modern health issues, including heart disease and metabolic disorders. If you're someone who struggles with constant hunger or managing your weight, listen to this. Avocados are rich in both fiber and healthy fats, which means they keep you feeling full and satisfied for much longer than typical snacks. This makes them an excellent choice for appetite control and avoiding those energy dips between meals. Here's where things get really interesting from a digestive health perspective. The fiber in avocados acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. These microbes are absolutely essential for proper digestion, strong immunity, and even mood regulation. Regular avocado consumption has been shown to increase the diversity of your gut microbiome, which is a key marker of overall health. Your brain will thank you too. Avocados are loaded with lutein, a powerful antioxidant typically found in dark leafy greens like spinach. Scientific research has linked higher avocado intake to improved memory, faster processing speed, and better cognitive function, especially in older adults. Let's talk about magnesium, one of the most overlooked minerals in modern nutrition. Just half an avocado provides nearly 20% of your daily magnesium requirements. This mineral is absolutely critical for muscle function, energy production, mood balance, and brain performance. Many people are deficient in magnesium without even knowing it, and avocados offer an ideal natural solution. Now here's a benefit that amplifies the nutrition of your entire meal. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K from other foods you eat. So when you add avocado to your salad, roasted vegetables, or grain bowl, you're actually increasing the nutritional value of everything on your plate. Finally, avocados contain over 20 different vitamins and minerals in one convenient package. From vitamin K and folate to vitamin C, the entire B vitamin complex, including B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B9, plus potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, and zinc. This powerful synergy of nutrients supports red blood cell formation, immune defenses, nervous system health, collagen production, and cellular metabolism. Very few foods can match this incredible nutritional density. What I find most compelling about avocados is how they check nearly every box we look for in a superfood, offering exceptional nutrient density, lasting satiety, and pure eating pleasure all in one simple fruit. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more nutrition insights.